Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to enable cookies on Google Chrome on Windows 11 computer. So open your Google Chrome and at the top right corner, click on that and then go to Settings. Once you're here in the settings, click on Privacy and Security and then we will go to the third option which says Third-party cookies. So I will click on that and you can select allow third-party cookies or you can simply select block third-party cookies in incognito mode. So if you select that, it will work in normal mode, but whenever you are in incognito mode, it will be blocked. Otherwise, in normal mode, like we normally open Google Chrome, it will allow the third-party cookies in your computer. So this is how you can enable cookies in Google Chrome. And if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. And do let me know in the comment section whether you are able to enable the cookies or not. I'll be glad if you do so. Have a wonderful day. Take care.